Hey guys, let's see how to connect a mouse to a Firestick TV. As you can see, I have my Firestick back there working and I have a software running a camera, okay? So see that I have the cursor back there working pretty fine. I can even use the right click and do whatever I want here inside of this app. So it works pretty well, okay? As long as you have an app working, you can use the mouse. So if I come back here to the main screen, you're gonna see that I have the mouse working, but it doesn't work at first with what you have here on the screen. I'm trying to scroll here, it doesn't work, I don't see any cursor. That's why you need to load an application to make the mouse work, okay? So to make it work, it's pretty simple. Just come here to the main menu and look for controllers and Bluetooth devices. There we go, you come down, other Bluetooth devices, you see here my mouse. So it's working, it's paired. So let me just come here and show you that I have this mouse that works with different devices. Number 1, 2, and 3 right now is number 2 that I'm using connected to the Firestick. Okay, let me just unpair so you see how it works to pair this. Super simple. So I just click this button here to unpair and confirm. Unpairing the device. Right now, you see it's disconnected here, so my mouse is no longer working. Then what I have to do is just come here and add a new Bluetooth device. Okay, I'll just come back here so you see that I'm coming to this main menu, controllers and Bluetooth. When I get here, just go down, other Bluetooth devices, and add Bluetooth devices. And then you see that's searching already for devices. Okay, so I just need to come here to my mouse, select here, and put on pairing mode. See, it's flashing, and back there is already working. Not working, but it found my mouse. Okay, so I just come here, select this one, it's pairing the device, and it's paired. It's already working. See, device connected, and when I try to use, I don't see the cursor on the screen yet, but if I just come back and use any software or app like this one that I have here, is going to work. Okay, so I load my app here, and then you see that I have the cursor there, and it's basically working, and it works pretty fine. I can select my cameras and do whatever I want here using this mouse. Okay, so that's the way you can have your mouse working on a Firestick TV. It's a Bluetooth mouse. I'll leave the link here for this mouse in the description. It's a good one. So I hope you like this, and just subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.